Do you see that? That's the lint coming out of the damn dryer vent. Probably plugged. Well, I'm gonna have to get back behind the dryer and get the leaf blower out and blow this out. I'm gonna set the tripod up for you guys. Okay, so the problem is it goes into there, it goes into there, it goes into there, and it goes out. It's really not, I mean, they could have took it straight out to there, but no, they had to do it difficult. So it gets clogged up. And that's how much was in that grate right there. That much. And you can see, it's still coming out of there. Piss poor engineering. Should have just seen that. Golly. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. All that came out. You never know when it, gross. It's like diarrhea. You never know when it's coming out. Damn.